Hi, my name is Josie Burton, and I was the UX designer for the semester here at G-Hold. My job involved redesigning a new website on a new platform and putting all the information that needs to be there onto the website while also creating a design that works well with the users but also fits our company culture and brand and adds a little bit of a quirk to it as well. I really like the homepage a lot because it tells our story, and I love this picture of Allison here, one of my favorite parts. We designed it so that it's kind of telling a story while also providing information. I like to build things and then use creativity to give it its own flair. So I use the G-Hold almost every picture, including this one here that you see on the website. I had to use applications on the iPad. One that I used quite a bit was Pixelmator. I used Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator too. As a designer, I need to be hands-on, and it was really, really nice to be able to hold my tablet and not worry about dropping it or anything, while also being able to create things with my fingers. That experience, that hands-on experience, you can't get on a laptop. So the G-Hold app just was great for making sure that I could get every little detail that I needed, and as an artist, it really allowed me to connect more with the photographs that I was editing. So this is a picture that I'm going to be using for the thumbnail of this video, which is very weird because I'm going to be editing myself. This is how easy it's gotten for me to edit on my iPad. So simple. If I want to do any text on this, which a lot of the things in the website I had to do, I just color all of this in with my finger. Just make sure that there's no holes at all in the image itself. Ta-da! I can grab the G-Hold logo here, copy and paste it. Usually I edit that first, but this is just a quick example. Paste, and then I can put it over here in the corner as a official trademark. And it's really as easy as that. And on my computer, this would take about 45 minutes, and this literally took me 2. So it was so helpful to have this as a useful guide throughout the process. Ta-da! But what I loved most about being part of the team here is that everybody pitches in and works their hardest and is very communicative, which I think is very important within a team. So it's something that I definitely am taking forth into my next endeavor. I just realized how important it is to have a good chemistry within a team, because that really matters for getting the job done and communicating well and just kind of keeping everybody in the loop and keeping the creativity flowing throughout the company. So that's something I really appreciated at G-Hold. And as an entrepreneur myself, it was really cool working next to Allison because I could see how successful a successful entrepreneur kind of navigates the space of technology, which is actually a field that is mostly dominated by men and less women. So I got to feel that and really kind of get back into the groove of things and finish a really incredible product.